Hello everyone, I will discuss how to create a new table and column in query. Here's the syntax of creating table and column. Create table, table name, open parenthesis, column 1 data type, column 2 data type, column 3 data type, and close parenthesis. This is the video how to create the in the table. We see that table has already been created.